Good morning to all Samithians. Now, today we showing a live demo of practical number third one. In the last time, we showing a two practicals like a first number and the second number. In the second number, we found the unknown R with the help of R box. Look like a practical Wisdom bridge. Now that practical, we using a 4R value. In the 4R value, we have a 3R value known and the 1 is unknown. So that time we showing the connection, we using the setup. Look like in the practical number third one, it is a repeat base. Repeat base means like we using a same the circuit connection normally and the same setup. So today the practical is like a series and the parallel. So definitely the only one difference. Today we using a two R values like a one R1 and second R2. Both R value is unknown and the same R box is a known R. So with the help of that R box, we found the both the R1 R2 with the help of the like a series and the parallel. So first we showing her aim. So what is the aim? To verify the laws of combinations of resistance, series and the parallel using a meter bridge. Like this practical require materials. Require materials means we using a same setup in the second practical like a meter bridge, galvanometer, jockey key, simple key, like a rheostat and the batteries. So in the third practical, the same. The only difference here we using a two different R values like R1 and the R2. So starting with the connection. Now we are showing a connection here in the series. So R1 and R2, you showing here both connect in the series in the one line. Remaining connection are the same like a practical number second and the parallel. Remaining circuit are same, just only changing like R1 and R2. Both connect in the upper down. So friends, so very simple connection. Whenever you solve the connection in the second practical, so definitely the third one is a very easier. Like the connection in the series connection. Always we set here. After first we put the batteries, then after we put a 1 meter bridge, then after we put a galvanometer, like one R box, like one rheostat, and the simple key. Now starting connection always we show from the batteries. So battery plus to we connect here, it is a point on the meter bridge. Now from the C point, we connect here rheostat upper side. Now rheostat lower any one to simple key any one terminals and remaining simple key to battery negative. Now from the B point. Now from the B point, we connect a galvanometer plus and from the G meter minus means galvanometer minus to jockey key. Now, so we using here two R1 and R2 is a different values. So first we connect R1, the one terminal with M. Now remaining R1 to connect with the R2 first terminal and the R2 remaining to N terminal on the meter bridge. Now between P and Q, we connect here R box. So it is a simple connection in the series. Now second connection we show here, it is a parallel connection. Now this parallel connection again, the starting same. Now battery plus to A point. Now from the C point, now rheostat upper, rheostat lower anyone to simple key remaining to battery negative. Now from the B, now galvanometer plus, now G meter minus to jockey key. Now from the between P and Q, we connect here non R box. Now V connection from parallel. So first we connect R1 between MN and we connect R2 with the parallel with the R1. So it is a simple connection like the parallel. Series and the parallel equally same and the second also is the same. Now today we solve this table. This table first we want two R values like R1, R2. It is a copy from the second practical. In exam time, the examiner given this value. Like this table have two parts. Like one part we solve here R1 and R2 in the series like equation RS, and the second part R1 and R2 in the parallel RP is a symbol like resistance R. This column given by the examiner the values. Sometimes examiner have no given the value, so you retain from your side. Like suppose remove a 20, 18 or 16, otherwise 20, 19, 18 as per your convenience. And here in the parallel, we changing the value like a 10, 8, 6. So we showing a different value, different answer. So as per this table, so we solve this table, but without a live demo, it is impossible. Like a theory subject and the practical subject is a different. Because in the practical subject is a compulsory. You showing a live setup, live these values, how can possible. So we start here the live demo. And the friends, here in the live demo, we check only first value in the series and the parallel. And the remaining value we retain in ourselves, ourselves in the exam time also. In the exam, the examiner showing only one reading. Whenever you perform the first readings very carefully or very confident, so definitely you are not required to perform the repeat practical like second and third. So friends, here as per the government rules, we are not made in the live lab. So I try my best to give in you a live practical with the live setup. So hope so you showing this video, and then after all this table, all things you retain in your record books itself. So now here we start a live videos. So each and everyone showing up carefully. Now today we are showing a live demo of practical number 3. It is a practical like a repeat base like the wisdom bridge. Second number practical, we found the unknown R value with the help of R box. But today, V connection here is a equally same. Look like a wisdom bridge, like a rheostat, one galvanometer, simple key, like a batteries, and after R box. But today the different. Today we here showing a two unknown R like R1 and the R2. So first here is a R1, it is a R2. Now what is the series connection? So simple like R1 and R2 joined in the same one line. So here the connection like starting from P to R1 one terminals, remaining R1 to connect with the R2 first and R2 remaining to connect with the Q. Remaining circuit is the same, look like a practical number 2. Now after the connection, again we check here with the help of jockey key. So you showing here the G meter on 0. Suppose after we put one jockey key on the A surface, so you found the G meter moving in the left side, and after a jockey key put on the C,
So that time you showing a G meter moving in the right side. Now the same process. So as per table. So here we solve this table. So first we remove to R value from the R box. So first we remove 20 again from the R box. This is 20. So we open 20, remaining K again we want in the close. Again the jockey key. We moving jockey key on the wire up to whenever the G meter coming on the 0. So you found here the G meter coming in the 0. So we note down the value from this scale. So it is you showing 32.5. So this value we copy in our record book. So it is a value from 20. Now remaining practical. Again remove some values like 19, 18, 17 and 16 from the R box, and you found the length from the wisdom bridge. Now after the calculation as per the given the equations, now after perform the practical leg series, now second part. The practical is R1 and R2 in parallel. So first we connect here, it is a parallel. Now second part of the practical, it is a R1 R2 connect in the parallel. So simple circuit connection you show here. Now R1 and R2 both connect in the up or down. So between P and Q, first we connect R1 and then after R2 connect with the R1 is a parallel. So simple connection you show here. So how can connect the R2 with R1? Now remaining connection are same. We are not change the connection. So again we check. Now G meter moving in the both side. Now the galvanometer you showing the 0. We put jockey key on the A point. So again you found the left side and put jockey key on the C here. So that time you found a G meter moving in the right side. So our connection is perfect. Now we change value in the second part. Like a series we showing a 2019, but in the parallel we remove a 10. So from the R box we remove a 10 value from the R box, and remaining key require a tithe. Again a jockey key put on the A point. Again you found a G meter on the left side. After we moving a jockey key on the wire, so that time we show here the G meter coming on the 0. Now here we note down the point from this scale. So it is a 14.5. So first value from there we found a 14.5. After repeat the practicals, remove 9, 8, 7 and 6, and you perform the practical is a repeat base. Note down the readings on the table, and after final the calculation about as per the equation.
So friends, so we showing here the live demo, and we showing here only the reading 1 in the series 1 and the 1 is a parallel. So again we solve table because remaining part is a remaining because like a calculation. So as per the live demo practicals, we show here in the series connection, we remove 20 from the R box, and that time we moving a jockey key on the wire on the base of galvanometer coming on the 0. So we note down the length from the meter bridge. So it is a 32.5. So after the calculation L dash, how can possible? So 100 minus the 32.5. So you got answer 67.5. After the remaining values like 18 and 16 or 19, 18, it is our convenience. But we showing here like a two gaps, like a 20, 18 and 16. So remaining calculation, remaining readings you showing here. So then after we found the final L dash. Now the value like RS or RP. RS first. So equation simple. R multiply L divided by L dash. So we solve this equation with the help of readings. First R. So 20 multiply 32.5 divided by 67.5. So you got answer 9.62. Second, 18 multiply 34 divided by 66. So you got answer 9.27. And then after 16 multiply 35.5 divided by 64.5. So you got the final answer 8.80. So simple calculation. Now second part, it is a parallel. So in the parallel, we changing the value from the R box. In the series, we showing a 20 starting. Now in the parallel, we starting with the 10. It is possible in our hand. We changing the values. So from the R box, we remove 10. So in live practical live demo, we showing the readings like 14.5. After we remove 8, 15.3, and the 6 is 16. Now L dash. So we minus with the 100. So you got answer like 85.5, 84.7, and the 84. Now RP. The same formula, R multiplied by L dash. So 10 multiply 14.5 divided by 85.5. So you got answer 1.69. 8 multiply 15.3 divided by 84.7. So you got answer 1.44. And the 6 multiply 16 divided by 84. So answer should become 1.14. Now friends, so last column. So last column, we want the value of delta RS individual and the delta RP is a parallel. So first, we showing here the first value of delta RS and second, third, you try itself and we showing a one value of delta RP and the remaining value is showing itself, not equation. So equation we show here, it is a delta RS is equal to RS in bracket delta L by L plus delta L by L dash by L dash. Now delta L, it is a least count value of the scale. It is a 0.1. It's a constant value. So first value we show here. So first value we want RS. So it is coming from table. You showing a 9.62. We put here delta L 0.1 by L. So L value it is a 32.5 from table and delta L dash again zero point 0.1 and L dash 67.5 from the table. So after the calculation, we solve here. So it is a value 0.0437. It is a delta RS first value. Then after you try the second and third one, so same formula. Now delta RP. Delta RP, the same equation only changing here. Delta RS replace sorry, the RS replace with the RP. So RP in bracket delta L by L plus delta L dash by L dash. Again the delta L dash, it is a 0.1 least count of the scale. Now RP. So RP from the first line is a parallel. It is a value like a 1.69. So we put here 1.69. Now delta L zero point 0.1 L. It is a first value from table is the first line 14.5. So we put here and after L dash it is a 85.5 we put here. Then after we solve the equation with the help of calculator. So we found here the final answer 0.0133. So it is a value delta RP. So remaining value you found itself and written in your record book. So friends, it is a very simple practical, very easy practical. Now this practical have no graphs, only the calculation base, and the second, third practical are very simple, are very easier. In the exam time, I hope so. Okay, you perform a very confidence. Okay, friends. So now here we showing a practical number third one. In the next time, we showing a live practical demo number 4. So now hope so each and everyone written in your record books this practical all the things copy in your record books all the calculation you done, and then after complete the practical, after starting the school, I check all the practicals are very carefully, because this year it is a board practical exam, so we want to prepare a record book a very confident and very clear, so that time you are not using any whitener also. Okay friends, so hope so, stay home, stay safe. Now in the next time we meet again with the next practicals.